Chiliz value equivalent to $0.0672 a coin. The present range, 6 cents 6 cents. The earlier day close, 6 cents, or so they thought. The change basically was plus 0.0006, plus 0.90%. Converse rate, USD to CHZ, or so they thought. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost forecast for June 2023. First and foremost, cost at $0.099. Greatest cost 11 cents. Sort of least cost 4 cents, in spite of prevalent thinking. The extremely normal for the month 7 cents. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for June 47.5% in an unpretentious manner. CHZ to USD expectations for July 2023, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the first place, cost at $0.052. Greatest cost 5 cents, least cost 4 cents. The normal for the month 4 cents. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for July 15.4% in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023. To start with, cost at $0.044. Most extreme cost 4 cents, least cost 3 cents. The normal for the month 4 cents. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for August 15.9%. CHZ to USD expectations for September 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Before all else, cost at $0.037 in a significant manner. Greatest cost 4 cents, least cost 3 cents in an unpretentious way. The very normal for the month 3 cents, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for September 5.4% in an especially large manner. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. To start with, cost at $0.039. Greatest cost 3 cents, least cost 3 cents. The very normal for the month 3 cents, which is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for October 7.7%. CHZ to USD expectations for November 2023. Initially cost at $0.036, or so they for the most part thought. Greatest cost 3 cents, kind of least cost 3 cents. The normal for the month 3 cents. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for November 2.8%, which in a real sense is very huge. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. To start with, cost at $0.035 in a truly significant manner. Most extreme cost 4 cents, least cost 3 cents. The normal for the month 3 cents, which is very huge. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for December 17.1%. CHZ to USD expectations for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.041. Most extreme cost 4 cents, least cost 3 cents. The normal for the month 3 cents. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for January 17.1%, which is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024, or so they thought. To start with, cost at $0.034 in a significant manner. Greatest cost 3 cents, least cost 2 cents. The normal for the month 3 cents. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2 cents. Change for February 14.7%. CHZ to USD expectations for WAC 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.029. Most extreme cost 2 cents, least cost 2 cents in a significant way. The extremely normal for the month 2 cents. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2 cents. Change for spring 6.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024, or so they for the most part thought. At the outset, cost at $0.027. Most extreme cost 3 cents. Genuinely least cost 2 cents in a significant way. The especially normal for the month 2 cents. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2 cents. Change for April 7.4%. CHZ to USD expectations for May 2024, which is very critical. In the first place, cost at $0.029. Greatest cost 3 cents, least cost 2 cents. The sort of normal for the month 3 cents in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for May 17.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.034. Greatest cost 4 cents, least cost 3 cents in an unobtrusive way. The normal for the month 3 cents. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for June 14.7%. CHZ to USD expectations for July 2025, in spite of prevalent thinking. To start with, cost at $0.024 incredibly. Greatest cost 2 cents, kind of least cost 2 cents. The normal for the month 2 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2 cents. Change for July 8.3%, which is genuinely critical. USD to CHC swapping scale especially equivalent to 14.8737 Chiliz per $1. Today, S reach 147799153770. The past day, S nearby 15.0045 in a very enormous way. Change for now 0.1308, 0.87%. USD to CHC expectations for June 2023 in a significant manner. First and foremost, cost at 10.10 Chiliz. Greatest cost 21.28, least 8.93. The really normal for the month 14.89. The USD to CHC estimate toward the month's end 19.23, change for June 90.4%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for July 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking. To start with, cost at 19.23 Chiliz. Greatest cost 24.39, least 19.23. The normal for the month 21.40 in an unpretentious manner. The USD to CHC estimate toward the month's end 22.73, change for July 18.2%, or so they thought. USD to CHC expectations for August 2023. First and foremost, cost at 22.73 Chiliz, which is very huge. Greatest cost 29.41, least 22.73. The normal for the month 25.48. The USD to CHC figure toward the month's end 27.03, change for August 18.9%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for September 2023. At the outset, cost at 27.03 Chiliz in an unpretentious manner. Most extreme cost 27.78, least 23.81. The normal for the month 26.07 in an unobtrusive manner. The USD to CHC figure toward the month's end 25.64, change for September 5.1%, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. USD to CHC expectations for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 25.64 Chiliz, or so they thought. Greatest cost 30.30, sort of least 25.64, which truly is genuinely huge. The especially normal for the month 27.34. The USD to CHC gauge toward the month's end 27.78, change for October 8.3%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for November 2023. In the first place, cost at 27.78 Chiliz. Greatest cost 30.30, least 27.03, which is very critical. The normal for the month 28.42. The USD to CHC conjecture toward the month's end 28.57, change for November 2.8% in a significant way. USD to CHC expectations for December 2023. In the first place, cost at 28.57 Chiliz. Greatest cost 28.57, least 22.73 incredibly. The normal for the month 26.07. The USD to CHC conjecture toward the month's end 24.39, change for December 14.6%, which is genuine.